Thank you for watching Workbench Wednesday. I really appreciate it. But you know, if you're only watching Wednesday's episode, you're only getting 1/3 of what I'm doing, because I also do Monday and Friday. And that's 2/3 of the rest of the stuff that I'm doing. And you're missing out on how I wrap this wrapper around the form for the water tower, or how I built the legs and assembled the legs and put the cap timbers on all of it. So all this is on the Monday and Friday episodes. So if you're only coming on Wednesday, you're missing out on all the good stuff. So tune in on Monday and Friday at 7 p.m. also.